Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to know about a good portfolio for exclusively English user of Nishta Module 3 Health and Well-being in School. Some of our friends asked in portfolio in English, so I made this video. Let's get started the video. Know the key points of the portfolio. Ideas for teaching, learning, assessment for the selected topic and present then the following details. The first one is subject, the second grade class, third chapter, fourth topic, and the fifth one learning outcomes, sixth one key ideas or key points, seventh activity or prayer knowledge, eighth plan for health and well-being schools, ninth assessment, 10 brainstorming activity or project work. These are the side headings of portfolio. Friends, if you were not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give comments on comment box. If you like the video, hit the like button. Now we are going to know the detailed activity of portfolio. Friends, we are in portfolio 3, that means module 3. The given portfolio is prepare a lesson plan for any subject, any class of your choice and suggest how to infuse issues health and well-being of schools. During the classroom transaction activities without diluting the curriculum. So, our portfolio is on module 3. My topic is good habits and bad habits. I took grade 2, class 2, subject EVS. Now friends, objectives. You see the objective. The first objective is to understand the concept of health and wellness, to understand the physical development, to understand or to develop healthy eating habits and hygiene, and to understand the safe uses of gadgets, and to know the importance of good habits like that. Second part is material required, that means TLM, charts, slides, textbooks, flashcards or any PPT. Now we are shifting to the activity. Teacher introduces two different situations and asks them to trigger which is related to them. For example, a boy sleeping till sunrise and a boy exercising in early morning. And teacher also makes the children list out bad and good habits from their previous experiences one by one. After she shows some charts about good and bad habits and demonstrate the benefits of habits and also the losses of bad habits. And the teacher explains here the benefits of waking up early in the morning and the safe usage of mobile phones and gadgets. Friends, here children learn some outcomes. Those are, children were able to learn health and well-being conditions in our schools as well as in home. And also children apply the knowledge they have learned in their daily lives. Then turning to key points. Teacher trigger and highlight the good and hygiene habits. Teachers stress the students for the safe uses of gadgets. How to use gadgets and how much time they can use the gadgets. Here you have to remember every portfolio must have these type of side headings and some highlighting points and key points. The next this topic is assignment. You have to assess them by your own questions. See here, my assessment is about the usage of the cell. Write and say good usage of social media. Differences between good and bad habits. What are the benefits of good habits? Like that, you have to ask them. Now, we are coming to the next topic, brainstorming activity or project work. How do you think the mobile phones are useful to us? Here, children can write or say three or more points of their own. And then the next, you can submit a charts like here, as shown here. Dear teachers, you can also submit your portfolio with some pictures as shown here, and you can submit your portfolio as PDFs and PPTs or by a video. But remember one thing, the file size must be below 10 MB. You can add some more flavors to your portfolio and try to give your level best. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.